who we were engaged with, who unfortunately were unable to join us this morning. The idea of this project was one that we had sort of developed at RUSI in conjunction with Chinese and Indian research institutions, and in particular VIF here in India. The idea was to try to explore the Chinese.
These countries will continue to work with Afghan state, which is extremely important. I also observed that there is.
And I've been involved in this project along with our partners in VIF.
You see, like any other normal country, we have normal problems, but our extra normal problem is Taliban and backing of Pakistan for the Taliban, and that's a subject these days discussed at various levels. How to make sure Pakistan stops supporting the Taliban, because if Pakistan stops supporting the Taliban, we can solve it, like other problems we have.
Should be able to secure and independent. You see, it has transited for the last 12 years through a very difficult period. There are two ways of looking at Afghanistan as of today. One is to try and find faults with what has come about in Afghanistan.
Expectation in Afghanistan is that India continue what it has been doing, investing in education and energy. Lots of assistance India has given in building the Afghan capacity in civil service, etc., etc.
Very important for us. Both these countries are our strategic partners. India is our natural friends historically, and China is the same. So we think that stability in Afghanistan is not only the interest of the Afghan people.
You see, the regional powers have to make sure that there is no interference into this country. Regional powers have to make sure that none of their soil is used for creating instability in Afghanistan, and basically that is what is very much important. And there is a cooperation required from our countries, especially from Pakistan, to make sure that the Taliban are not given the type of sanctuaries they have always been having, and also to help out in the process of reconciliation, which of course requires Taliban to accept the constitution of Afghanistan and also try and democratize Taliban. This country continues to exist as it is, a democratic country, a self-sustaining, and I do hope that this story remains what I'll say.